I should have heard the alarm.
Afterwards,
Are y'all paying attention?
Yeah,
Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, I'm streaming it. Let's do it.
You should have called me. I could have killed you.
I know, but I'm just gonna let my baby spend the night alone when all our friends go to the bonfire. I mean, what kind of man would I be?
What the?
What's going on?
What the?
Itadori?
What?
Made the banner.
That's why I thought I was Itadori.
Oh, it's so sweet. I love it. Thank you, baby.
Wait,
what?
what happened?
Wait.
I was looking to the right. Hold on.